Well, we don't know what you had for breakfast this morning, but Steve Yanko had pancakes. Check this out. He got this video of walking along the river and tops them. Pancake ice is usually formed in turbulent water. It can be anywhere from dinner plate size to several feet across. After seeing this, however, we could all use a little blueberries and maple syrup. A big thanks to Steve for sending us this video. I would have thought that was something in oil.
Nothing wrong with breakfast or dinner either.
Oh, that's always a good choice. Very good choice. Our focus, by the way, does really shift now to the temperature.
It is. I was just saying to Brian, I think black ice will be out there tonight and tomorrow morning because I'm not sure we have enough time to dry the ground out before the temperature hits freezing. So
okay, well, it's winter, so be ready for it to be icy.
If it looks wet, just assume it's ice tonight as those temperatures will be dropping. It's going to be very cold out there tomorrow, so tomorrow morning there will be icy spots too. The weather will be quiet other than the fact it's cold tomorrow and during the day on Wednesday. There may be a few flakes that come through around the time the ball drops though. New Year's Eve, some flurries and snow showers out there. That's with the next shot of cold, which moves in to start the new year. It's going to be in the teens and low 20s at best Thursday and Friday too. Out there now, the back edge of the steady rain coming through southern Maine. We're pouring now in parts of eastern Maine. Still a few showers in parts of southern New Hampshire that will cross through over the next couple of hours. But look at the temperatures. We're down to 32 in Acton and Hollis, Sebago, Waterford, Rumford. This whole area today never warmed much above freezing, so it's already very icy. Closer to the coast, we are above freezing, but those temperatures drop as the night goes along, which is why I think there will be some areas of ice that do form. Warmest weather today in eastern Maine. We're actually in the low 40s right now from Machias to Bar Harbor over to Castine. Bangor's at 35 and just a wintry mix to the north of Millinocket as we see it right now. So cold front's crossing through tonight, and once that front goes by, the wind picks up and cold air moves back in, and it is going to be a cold day out there tomorrow. By 9 o'clock, the steadier shield of rain shifting east. There will be some snow up over the crown of Maine and a few spot showers elsewhere. But here comes the temperature drop. This is when things may start to glaze over if they haven't already. There could be a few flurries out there tonight, but I don't think there's much more precipitation after about 9 or 10 o'clock. And it's a cold day tomorrow. The temperatures maybe rise a few degrees off the morning temperature, but it's going to be cold just about all day long with temperatures central and southern Maine in the teens, single digits up in the mountains. It's mostly cloudy. It's a gusty day with winds out of the west between 30 and 40 miles per hour in some gusts. And there could be a few isolated new outages tonight and tomorrow morning in those areas where the trees are coated with ice, especially central New Hampshire and western Maine. So just be aware of that. Wind chill tomorrow, not all that pretty. Well below zero mountains and up north, single numbers farther to the south. The wind is going to subside on Wednesday though, so I think that's a bit better of a day. Wednesday night, we could have some flurries and snow showers that come through, and a few computer models even drop an inch or two early Thursday morning over down East Maine. And then it's right back to the cold. We stay cold for Thursday, Friday, and even this upcoming weekend. Although it looks quiet, we don't get any reprieve from the cold weather. Seas tomorrow, 7 to 12 feet. A gale warning is up until 7 o'clock on Wednesday morning. So windy and very cold tomorrow. There are the flakes that could come through Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Coatings, but maybe down East Maine gets a bit more. We'll have updates on that tomorrow. And then behind that, it is cold right into and through the weekend. So Brian, that's why I mentioned whatever ice does end up out there, it's not going to melt on its own tomorrow.
Yeah, no chances there. That crisp January air is moving in.
For sure.
All right, Ryan, thanks.
You're welcome.